fish, then geisha, then I'm coloring. Then this is my external version. Now this is my starfish.
Now Prisha doing sanding. Smooth the surface. Show how to do, Prisha. Yeah.
Go like that. After you take this and go like that.
Okay.
Now my paint white color, and now you're going to dip inside water, and you're going to do like that. And then you're going to dip inside the water again. And you're going to paint it up like that.
Why we need to paint white color?
Because they are doing a project.
Oh.
And why?
I thought white color you use as a coating. It's a first layer coating.
Yes. That's my tip. Continue the project. Continue the project. Now we are going to pour it. Pour a little bit. And you know how? Try this. We are going to paint something like a pink color. Now we are going to start it. Okay? Going to paint on top here like that. Now we're going to paint. Don't waste the colors for you. I'm going to paint her. See? Now it's very nice. Now you don't waste your colors. Now I can paint. Now I'm going to dip inside. We are going to dip inside, and now we're going to paint. We are going to paint and put to dry first. After that, we are going to paint behind. And now we are painting the mushroom. Okay? This is a mushroom for me. Okay? We are going to cook the mushroom after we put dry. Okay? We are going to cook the mushroom and see after we put dry. Okay? This is chemical. You can ask your daddy to help you, or you can ask your mommy. Your mommy is in the house, or you can ask your daddy. Your daddy is right beside you over here. All my projects completed. Hi, good morning. See you on the next video. Bye.